To the next problem, a left aligned triangle pattern. It consists of 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So while approaching, you may write the pattern as for your own comfortability. You may write is like this: 3 4 or 1 2 3 4 5. Then if you observe, the odd numbers are represented as 1 and the even numbers are represented as 0. So for that we are using conditional statements here. So let's write it, checking whether it's odd or not. And these are the loops. So basically what we have been doing for the past 3 videos, that I equals to 1 and I less than equals to 5, because 5 rows and 5 columns are the maximum limit for us, and 1 to I because for left aligned triangle we use 1 to I, and if j percentage 2 equals to 0, so checking just whether it's even or not. If this satisfied, it means that the number is divisible by 2, which suggests that it's even, and if not, so it means false condition, so it's nothing but odd. False condition representing odd. And for that, system.out.print 1 and system.out.print 0, and again that system.out.println, and just okay. So let's check the output. Though it's already been coded, so okay. So we got our desired output. Let's check one more case. So what will happen if we write I percentage 2 equals to 0 instead of j? It's a completely different pattern, 1 0 0 1 1 1. So it's basically nothing. So for odd number of rows it will represent 1, and the even number of rows will be represented as 0, irrespective of the column number. If you look at the number here, this represent 1 1 2, so it's 1 is also 0 and 2 is also 0. So basically it's nothing but row number, I mean that second row is 0, then again fourth row is 0. So basically even row is 0 and odd row is 1. So